I swear every time I try to start a video, like in real life, I just sound dumb. But either way, today we will be installing this RAM into this computer. So first thing we have to do is take the computer out. I'm not sure if I will. I might be able to just take off the glass and actually just install it through that way, because if you can't see, my RAM is this white line and that white line. I'll take off the glass so you can get a better angle at it, but yeah. So now the glass is officially gone. It is down there. I don't know if you can really see it that well. Hopefully I don't step on it. Hopefully I remember it's there. Shut up, computer. I bumped it, it turned on by accident, but yeah. So this is my PC without the glass on. I guess it's nice, whatever. My graphics card seems kind of lopsided. I don't know if you can really see it, but it seems like it's kind of leaning that way. But either way, these two things, these two little sticks, those are my RAM, and I have to take those out and put in these sticks. You can only see one of them. But yeah, hopefully I don't mess this up. It should be a pretty simple process. I just have to click on up here, these two latches up here, and then it should be able to just come out. There might be latches down there, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. But yeah, so here it is, next to our old RAM. Let's pick this up real quick. Yeah, I had to use that to mount the camera. Don't judge me. I just had it up against it, but yeah. So here's our old RAM next to our new RAM. One click, two clicks, hey. All right, that's pretty quick, that's pretty easy. It took me probably 10 minutes. And yes, surprisingly, I put it in the right way. I don't know how to feel about it. Let me turn the PC on. I wouldn't say turn it on, but turn the switch on. Okay. I don't know how I feel about the red, but it doesn't matter to me, the color. I don't care about all that RGB RAM shit. I know my PC's super colorful and everything, but I honestly don't care about looks that much. Like, you guys would be super surprised. But yeah, I'm gonna put the glass case back on, and I'm gonna put the screws in and everything, and then I'm gonna turn it on, fire it up. The case is on, everything's screwed down. Now for the moment of truth. Make sure both monitors are on. That one's on already. Hey, okay, actually, oh, voice crack. Actually, the red does not look bad with the rainbow. Of course, I was a little skeptical about the red with that, but yeah. I do have my remote somewhere. Oh wait, here it is. Here it is. And if I hit the R, it'll go to red. Yeah, I mean, I think that looks pretty good. Obviously the blue over here, just, let's just pray that everything will be running smoothly. I will be streaming, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, most likely Saturday and Sunday. I might run it today. Today's Tuesday, if you didn't know. I'm gonna be uploading this today. But yeah, so see you guys next time. Peace.